Is your VIZIO TV stuck on the logo screen and won't start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the VIZIO TV boot loop issue at home. No technician needed. Watch till the end for the final step that actually gets your TV back to life. Step 1. Basic reset first. Let's start simple. We'll perform a soft reset, which helps clear temporary memory issues that often cause the logo freeze. Go ahead and unplug your VIZIO TV from the power outlet completely. Don't just turn it off with the remote. Physically remove the plug. Now wait at least 60 seconds. Give it a full minute so all internal power fully drains. While you're waiting, locate the power button on the TV itself, not on the remote, and press and hold it for about 20 seconds. This process helps discharge any residual electricity and resets minor glitches in the system memory. After 60 seconds, plug your TV back into the wall and turn it on. Many times, this simple reset is all you need to break out of the boot loop. Step 2. Check power source. If your TV is still stuck on the VIZIO logo, the next thing to check is your power source. Sometimes, a weak or unstable voltage supply from an extension board or surge protector prevents the TV from booting properly. Unplug your TV again, and this time connect it directly to a wall socket. Avoid using any UPS or long extension cable. Wait a few seconds and power it on again. You might be surprised. Just giving your TV stable power often helps it start normally. TV plug moved from extension board to wall socket. Stable power equals stable boot. On-screen graphic. Quick test showing TV powering on smoothly. Step 3. Factory reset using buttons. Alright, if the TV still refuses to go past the logo, we'll move to a manual factory reset using the TV's built-in buttons. This method resets your system software to default, perfect for fixing frozen boot screens. Start by turning your TV on. On the back or side panel, find two buttons labeled Volume Down and Input. Hold both buttons together for about 15 seconds. Don't release early. When a message appears on the screen saying Reset to Default, let go of both buttons, then press the Input button once more. Your VIZIO TV should restart and begin the factory reset process. Wait patiently. It can take a few minutes. Highlighted close-up of side panel buttons. Animation. Hold VOL plus Input equals 15ths. On-screen reset message, resetting to factory defaults. TV reboot animation. Highlighted close-up of side panel buttons. Animation. Hold VOL plus Input equals 15ths. On-screen reset message, resetting to factory defaults. TV reboot animation. Step 4. Firmware update. If none of those steps worked, your TV's firmware might be corrupted, but don't worry, there's still hope. You can reinstall or update the firmware manually using a USB drive. Go to VIZIO's official support website, enter your TV model number, and download the latest firmware version available. Once downloaded, copy the file onto an empty USB flash drive formatted in FAT32. Make sure the file is placed directly in the main folder, not inside any subfolder. Next, insert the USB drive into your TV's USB port. Turn on the TV. You'll notice the standby light start to blink. That means the firmware update has begun. This process can take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, so don't remove the USB or unplug the TV during this time. When the blinking stops and the TV restarts, your system software should be fixed. Screen recording of downloading firmware from VIZIO's site. File being copied to USB drive. Highlight FAT32. Inserting USB into TV port. Blinking power light animation. On-screen text. Updating. Please wait. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if your VIZIO TV is back to life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.